here, and it's giveaway time again. And I think this is a really cool giveaway. What I am doing is the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette. And this gives you 35 eyeshadow shades. And I'm just gonna open it up so that you guys can take a look at it and see what's inside. It hasn't been used, and this is what it looks like. And then we'll open it up. And there you go, all the beautiful Morphe shades. So, and it also has a little protector thing in it, and it tells you all of the names. So that's this. And all you have to do to win this is subscribe to my channel and comment on this video down below, and that enters you in for the giveaway. So, good luck, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you can, please like and subscribe. Very important to subscribe. Very important to comment down below for this particular giveaway so that you get the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette. All right. Good luck, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.